Well guys, another video from Haulover Beach Inlet. I think that now it's February the 2nd, and I think I've already posted more than 65 videos since January. So if you like yachts, boats and powerboats, you can go back 60 videos at least, and they are all going to be new content from this year. So actually, if you like this channel and you haven't subscribed to it, do so now and you won't be disappointed. I go out every day and I try to find the best yacht content from Miami. So again, if you like yachts, boats and powerboats, subscribe to the channel, and also be sure to ring the notification bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. One more thing, I'm gonna be at this year's Miami International Boat Show, and that is going to start pretty soon. So hopefully I will be filming more yachts and boats as they arrive to Miami. So for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.